You might be the only Bible that someone ever reads. Not everyone picks up the Bible, but everyone reads people. They read how you react when you are offended. They read your posts when you are angry, and they read how you handle hard seasons. You might be the only Bible someone ever reads. So let your life be a message of mercy, a testimony of transformation, a reflection of Christ. And you don't need to be perfect in all this. You just need to have a life that is surrendered to Jesus Christ. Let your influence point people to Jesus. And let your prayer be, Lord, help me to live a life that reflects you well. I may be the only Bible someone ever reads. So let my actions speak truth, my love show grace, and my faith shine light. Help me guard my heart and use my influence to glorify you. Give me courage to disconnect from